This is a faded map I found inside a book. A coffee stain is where you sat and gave that second look. You met me in a crowded train, felt empty, just us two. And I was thinking, here's the rain I've been waiting to walk through. I saw a future in a flash, a sudden crazy thought. Should I just let this moment pass, or give it all I've got? 'Cause darling, when your world feels adrift, 'cause darling, when your world feels adrift, 'cause darling, when your world feels adrift, and the compass spins true, it's true. Yeah, the compass spins true, it's true. It almost makes you smile, chasing ghosts down that aisle, when your heart is pure light. 'Cause when the compass spins true, it's right. A word to all my crew about the maybes and the red flags, the nights you see right through the pretty words and empty bags. If you're asking yourself, is this real or a disguise? Then you have your answer. The answer's in their eyes. You can't ignore the fire in your gut, that feeling that the door is firmly shut. 'Cause darling, when your world feels adrift,